3 tips for introverts who are trying to make new friends at work. Hello, I am SANTHOSH NIMMANI. I am India's first proud introverts career mentor. I help a lot of introverts to boost their career around introversion. So today is a very interesting topic which I have used in my life as well. So these are the tips which I have started not at my starting of my career, but once I understood about introversion, once I understood about my strengths, I started these 3 aspects. Definitely, this will be also useful for you if you watch this video till the end. The first tip, observe. So I am also always an observer. At the starting, when I go to any place, it's not about only work. When I go to gym, when I go to a new place or new workplace, or maybe to a relative's house, anywhere, I always observe. I observe people. I observe what they're doing, how they're reacting. And so I observe everything over there. So work also the same aspect. Observe people around you. There are a lot of people. It can be your bosses, it can be your colleagues, it can be your juniors, a lot of people. It can be some other people around you who are coming to coffee, tea, everywhere around. So observe people who are similar to your interests. So it's like maybe if they are not so loud out there or so extroverted. So depends on people. There are a lot of different aspects of having a personality. So always observe what kind of people they are. Maybe they are outgoing and they want to talk to you. So in this way, you have to understand, and they are friendly, they are lovely, they are trying to help, whatever. Try to understand what kind of people. At least I'm not telling you I'm not telling you to judge about them, but at least observe what they are around you. Whoever are being, observe them for a few days. Just observe. Then second tip, which is very important, take small steps, or start small and seek out a small group of people. So when you observe all this in the first step, then you have to first of all take a baby step, like talking to new people, but not so going into groups and all, but at least one-on-one. Try to talk with them. Try going one-on-one coffee with them. So try going a walk. Maybe after office you can go by shared cab or something like that. Start making small steps, and start with a small group. Probably there is a 2 to 3 member group over there in your specific in your office, in your team. So you can start connecting with them, because we know that not than 10-15 people, if you have 2 to 3 people, it's fine, it's quite comfortable, right? So you can start connecting with these small groups and small one-on-one meetings. This actually makes a lot of difference. Then you connect with new people, then you will understand them, and you can also tell a little bit about you, like how introverted you are. If you are so much of introverted, so much of shy, you can talk to them slowly, one person each, in that way, or going for a coffee or breaks and all. That actually improves the relationship between you and them. So in that way, you can start small and start into going into small groups. This is the second aspect or second tip. The third, which is very important, be your kind. Be you. Don't try to be an extrovert. Don't try to go and express yourself into a group which is, or don't try to be someone else. That's what I can tell clearly. So be you. It's fine. So take your time. Slowly you can interact. You can have some one-on-one time with them and all. So always be you. I don't tell, a lot of people ask me this question. How I'm an introvert, Santhosh, so how can I become an extrovert? It's not possible, because the introversion or extroversion comes because of the upbringing. There are a lot of aspects under this particular character and all. So you cannot change it in a single day. It's all about always learning new skills, always going through all the phases in your life, or maybe at that moment. In that way, you can start doing it and be yourself. I always tell it to people, be yourself. I am also the one always love to be in my room, talk to very few people and all. I always love to be myself. I have a lot of self-love towards me. Being an introvert, I have a lot of advantages. I always love to have my personal space, right? So in this way, always be yourself, then accordingly, and respect your space as well, respect your energy as well. In that way, you can go forward and go into the groups. So I believe these 3 tips would definitely help you to go into and try making good friends out there. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos regarding introversion, mindset, and career. And if you would love to share this video to someone whom it may help, to a lot of introvert friends, definitely do share it, so that I am always here to help 1 million introvert professionals to build their career around introversion. So that's what I have a mission, and I love to actually help you out in any particular aspect. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next video.